She may be the face I can't forget. Looks like her mother when galit. Nakapamewang taas kilay, laki puwet. She was born to be a lady boss. At grabe kong makautos. Kaya Anton tayong dalawa, parehong under desire. She, you are a sweet and gentle soul, and though today I let you go, forever you will always be. My little princess known as she.